flight. For information about any connecting flights, please check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines, a proud member of the One World Alliance, it has been our pleasure serving you today. We'd like to congratulate our mileage plan members for earning at least 1,009 miles on this flight. Visit alaskaair.com/mileage plan for more information on our award-winning program. Whether this was your first time flying Alaska or you fly with us often, thank you. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
In Florida, we went to fucking test line. And got Florida.
Flight attendants disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
Oh, yeah, you know? Oh, no, you don't do it, it's not like fucking